Good morning, or afternoon, YouTube. I'm just going to make a short unboxing video of something I bought on Amazon for my generator. This is a solar cell that will actually keep your battery and your generator trickle charged. So I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to tell you about this and post a video in my description as far as which one this is. And I had bought one a couple of years ago that I've been using, but it died. I went to buy the same one again, and I couldn't because it's not available. So they're very simple, and basically you've got like 2 battery clips if you choose to use them. Okay, they just clip on, very simple. And then you actually have the solar cell itself. Pretty easy, right? This is called Solar Sunway, right? And it has a long cord off of it, and it's got some suction cups if you want to use a suction cup, but I'm not. I'm going to use some double stick tape when it comes time to attaching it to my generator shed. And then there's an optional cord in here that you can plug into your cigarette lighter if you want to charge your battery in your car, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to charge the battery on my generator. So, and you can see already, you should be able to see a blue light here. Right about here, you should be able to see a blue light blinking. That is already getting light from above and actually sending voltage now out the charger. So I'm just going to put this back in the box, ready to go. Again, short video. So I'm going to do a series of videos today on some generator stuff I've got going on. This will plug in here, but if I do that now when these touch, then I want to short them out. So I'm going to make it easy. Just going to put it back in the box for now. It comes with instructions. I don't know if you'll need them, but it tells you how to connect it up. But to me, this is a kind of a no-brainer type video. But if you do have a generator and you're always worried about the battery and you don't have a battery charger for it, then I would recommend you get one of these Solar Sunway. So trickle charger and maintainer. So I will catch up with you later when I go to install it on the generator, and I'll show you how all that's going to work. Until then, have a great day.